The Hayabusa T3 LX? The Sanabul Core Series or Combat Sports Max Strike? Perhaps the Revgear Premium or the RDX F12 Series? Which one should you buy? In this video, we are going to look at the top MMA gloves available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 MMA gloves. The fifth product on this list is the Revgear Premium Series. All sparring gloves have similar designs, but they each come with unique features that provide varying levels of comfort for different users. The Revgear Premium MMA gloves are particularly unique because they are limited to use for MMA fights alone. However, their open palm design, premium grip, and padding make them user-friendly for beginner fighters and everyday gym use. You don't have to worry about injuring your fists while drilling or throwing a punch because these gloves have adequate padding that will keep your fists protected. Additionally, these gloves are not like most fighting gloves that come in extra-large sizes that cause your hands to float inside them. Thankfully, the Revgear Premium MMA gloves have Velcro straps at the wrist that enable them to fit snugly on your hands, making them comfortable to use. You won't feel as if they are trying to slip off with each punch you throw. Impressively, you don't have to switch between gloves for different types of training during your grappling, sparring, or workout session. The contour design of these gloves allows you to easily make a fist with them, which makes them a perfect fit for grappling. We particularly like the soft inner lining of these gloves because of how comfortable it is, and the fact that they have a fastener break-in period due to their pre-curved shape. All in all, these gloves are a very affordable and good quality option. Its pros are: its thick padding protects your fists when training on heavy bags or mitts, the Velcro straps at the wrist that ensure a secure fit, and the contoured finger loop design is easy to make a fist with. However, some customers complained that the gloves are not true to size and their outer shell durability over time is somewhat questionable. Beginner MMA fighters and gym enthusiasts who want a pair of MMA gloves that fit snugly and is comfortable to use without switching between gloves during their sessions will find the Revgear Premium Series a solid option. Up next in fourth place is the Sanabul Core Series. The Sanabul Core Series is considered by many to be one of the best MMA gloves for sparring for many reasons. Firstly, its protective design is top-notch. The gloves have more than enough padding on the knuckle area to withstand the hardest hits and keep your fists protected. As a result, you will feel the impact of your punches but no pain whatsoever. In addition to that, the padding is infused with gel, enabling it to take the hardest hits for you and keep your fingers fresh no matter how long you wear the gloves. Furthermore, the open palm design provides the flexibility to open your hands, make a fist, and spread your fingers during your sparring sessions. Moreover, the gloves fit snugly on your wrist due to a secure hook and loop closure system. They will remain tight without requiring any adjustments in the middle of your sessions. The engineered leather construction ensures that this pair of MMA gloves will last for hundreds of sparring rounds and beyond. Additionally, the leather material makes it easy to clean and maintain, so you can use it for years to come. If you need a set of gloves for heavy sparring, this is a set to seriously consider. Its pros are: the padding enables you to make the hardest hits without feeling the impact on your knuckles. Their low weight makes them easy to use even for beginners, and its hook and loop closure system secures the gloves firmly and snugly on your wrists. However, they don't fit well if you use hand wraps as well. MMA fighters who want a pair of gloves that enables them to strike on the feet, on the ground, and grapple at any level will find the hybrid sparring design of the Sanabul Core Series ideal. Still haven't found any MMA gloves that meet your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the RDX F12 Series. The RDX F12 Series is an upgrade to the Sanabul Core Series because it can withstand heavy bag work without causing any discomfort. These gloves feature adequate padding that protects your hands from the impact of strikes during training sessions. Like the Sanabul Core Series, they have an open palm design that provides flexibility and ventilation. However, the RDX F12 Series also includes a sweat-wicking layer that helps keep your hands dry for a firm grip while practicing groundwork and grappling techniques. Made from faux leather, the RDX F12 Series gloves are easy to clean and maintain, but they require some breaking in to become comfortable. The pre-curved padding reduces strain on your hands, allowing you to focus on your sparring and grappling techniques and improve your performance. Unlike some other MMA gloves, the RDX F12 series includes a wrist strap closure system to secure the gloves firmly on your hands and provide optimum support to your wrists by managing stress and strain from punching. For durability, these gloves are made from quality Maya hide leather and feature industry-grade reinforced stitching, ensuring that they will last for a long time. Compared to most counterparts, the RDX F12 series are true to size, so you can go for your exact size and not worry about the fit. Lastly, you'll like that it comes in varying color options to suit your style and match your other training gear. Its pros are: the pre-curved padding reduces your effort in making a fist and limits strain on your hands. Its ventilation and sweat-absorbing design keeps your hands dry all through your workout sessions. And it disperses impact evenly across your hand thanks to the padding design. However, it does not have much thumb protection, so you need to be careful when guarding. Anyone engaging in martial arts training, grappling, cage fighting, or combat sports will benefit from the excellent padding, improved wrist support, and sweat-absorbing design of the RDX F12 series. The second product on this list is the Combat Sports Max Strike. These next gloves are made from genuine leather and have approximately 2 inches of molded foam padding on the knuckles. This padding makes them a very safe option for MMA training. However, the padding and leather may feel stiff when the gloves are new and will require breaking in to become very comfortable over time. Nonetheless, they can still feel comfortable as you learn to exercise control and throw light punches. The hinged knuckle vastly improves the flexibility of these gloves, allowing you to make a fist and offering a full range of motion for grappling. For those who prefer to wrap their hands, these gloves are easy to fit even with wraps. Alternatively, the open palm design provides optimal ventilation to reduce sweat during training. Whether you're looking to improve your fitness, a rookie starting out, or an experienced fighter stepping into the cage, these gloves will help protect you and your sparring partners from injury. Regardless of your experience level and needs, they are surely a worthwhile investment. Its pros are: the 2-inch foam padding makes it safe to use for training. The hinged knuckle design allows for superb flexibility, and the gloves are both comfortable and true to size. However, the Velcro strap is not the most durable. The thick padding and hinged design of the Combat Sports Max Strike make them ideal for MMA enthusiasts who like to regularly mix it up in the ring between powerful strikes and technical grapples. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top MMA gloves are the Hayabusa T3 LX. Thumb injuries are a common occurrence among MMA trainers, but there's a solution to this problem: choosing the right MMA gloves. By selecting the right gloves, you can keep your wrist and knuckles tightly locked in place, preventing unnatural movements and overextension. The good news is that the Hayabusa offers an exclusive range of MMA gloves with a multi-layered foam composition that absorbs impacts and evenly dissipates energy across your hand. Crafted by hand with luxurious full-grain leather, the T3 LX Hybrid is a popular choice for its incredible fit, unique palm design, and ability to make switching between striking and grappling exercises a breeze. We particularly loved the stylish leather design of these gloves, which sets them apart from the others on the market. The pre-curved multi-layered foam layer provides ample protection to your knuckles, while also reducing hand fatigue. The glove's commendable closure system ensures a comfortable and secure fit, and its exclusive palm design prevents any unwanted shifting, giving you more control during your training sessions. One of the most impressive aspects of the Hayabusa T3 LX Hybrid gloves is that you don't need to wear hand grips while using them, thanks to their incredible wrist stabilization. However, if you still prefer to use hand wraps, we recommend choosing a size bigger than your actual size for a comfortable fit. Designed for intense hybrid training, the Hayabusa T3 LX gloves provide all the necessary hand protection and dynamic range of motion for you to excel in MMA sports. Its pros are: the full-grain leather shell is built to last, the multi-layer foam padding protects your knuckles from the effects of impact and absorb shock, the dual closure system eliminates the need to wear hand wraps, and you can customize your fit for comfort and wrist stabilization using the 2 interlocking straps. However, they do start off a little tight but will loosen over time as the leather stretches and molds to the shape of your wrist and hands. The high-quality, superb padding, open palm design, and dual closure system make the Hayabusa T3 LX MMA gloves a perfect fit for trainers who indulge in heavy bag work, partner drills, and hybrid training in general. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.